Hello everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on the media channel. I am sorry for the AC noise if you hear that. It's a very hot day and I just couldn't take not having it on. So anyway, we are going to be unboxing something that is definitely kind of unique. It is Sonic Prime Season 1 on Blu-ray. Now, the reason this is unique, and you might notice it's on the cover, is that this is a Netflix release. Now, Netflix is notorious for not releasing stuff on physical media. However, I am noticing that some series that Netflix partially funded, but not completely, do seem to be exceptions to this rule, unless, of course, Criterion picks them up. Now, I don't think the Criterion Collection was ever going to pick up Sonic Prime. And by the way, Season 2 has been confirmed to be released, so yay for that. So let's look at this. I love the purple background color. I love how it contrasts with the blue. I love how it hints at the craziness that this show is. You have Sonic on the side, both sides actually. And this is from N-Circle. N-Circle has released a lot of Sonic stuff on physical media, so it makes sense that they're here. And then you have some screenshots of the show in the back. This is a really well animated show. There's the Sega and the Netflix logos. And so let's take this cover off. And as you can see, we have the same cover and back on the inside. Now, let us open this. And I mean, we're opening it because it's like I want to see what it looks like. I'm suspecting they're going to do something nice with the discs. They're probably going to do some fan servicey things. Boy, the glue is really tough on this one. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't open it until it left Netflix, but you know, whatever. All right, there we go. So let's get this thing opened. I do not believe there will be any digital code on this one. Come on. Come on. Jeez, this is like a pain in the butt. All right, there we go. So let's unlock and okay. So the first thing is we have this very bent. Is this a catalog? Okay, so yeah, this is basically a catalog of a lot of the stuff that they release on DVD. I don't know why they don't just make a slightly smaller one. Oh, apparently N-Circle TV. This is a thing you can do on, you know, your Roku and Fire Stick devices. I mean, I kind of like having it because I remember buying Disney VHS tapes and getting little booklets like this, but, you know, oh, the Super Pack. Oh, but that's DVDs. Yeah, I don't want the DVDs. I actually have that Steelbook release. Oh, look, Sonic Underground came back. I guess if I didn't already have the original releases, I'd probably do that. That is a terrible release, by the way. It's one of the best Sonic shows, but that's not the best way to watch the show. There's too much compression there, and then the Sonic stuff. So, okay, so that's kind of nice. And then we have the whole season, one disc. You gotta love it. One disc, the whole season. I love it. So that is what Sonic Prime Season 1 from Netflix looks like. And yeah, some of you, of course, snarkily say, well, look, it's on Netflix. Why would you buy it on physical media? It's like, well, there's two reasons. First of all, if you are a fan of physical media, you probably want to buy the Netflix releases that are of interest to you, because the physical releases are the one thing that Netflix has the most difficulty releasing, in the sense that they just don't want to, and so you want to buy and support and show that you will buy them. But also, again, Netflix will not necessarily carry this forever. And I'm a huge Sonic fan. I have all the other stuff on DVD and Blu-ray. Why wouldn't I have this on Blu-ray? And so, of course, I'm going to buy it. And I like the packaging. It's like a whole experience. I like the fact that the whole season's on one disc. You can actually marathon it without swapping discs. That's really cool. That's kind of bringing the Netflix experience home offline, if you will. But anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this? Will you be getting it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I will see you at the movies. Take care.